Hi guys, I'm back. It's been a while since I filmed another video. I have no idea what to film, but I wanted to film. I think we're gonna do like another natural makeup. And yeah, the chickens are back too. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and let's do it. Let's start with moisturizer, and yeah, I'm using this. There's a lot of like mixed reviews with this product, or this brand actually. I have no bad experience with it, so far it's fine to me. Yeah, start with moisturizer. Before you start with makeup, you have to like have a nice base, so you have to moisturize the skin, or else it will be dry and patchy and flaky and sorry, you also have to cleanse. Yeah, you have to cleanse before you moisturize. Sorry, I don't know what is up with my accent. I don't actually know what accent I'm pulling right now, but I think it's kind of cringy. I don't know, like me not having an accent and now I have an accent. I'm a Filipino, guys. I don't know what accent I'm using right now. It's just that I've watched a lot of movies and some YouTubers with accents, and now I'm like copying them. So I don't know what accent I'm using right now. But anyways, let's move on to concealer, and we're not using foundation or that. Okay, so I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm just putting that right here. And I don't know what this redness is, but it's kind of irritated. I don't know why, but yeah. I have to hide my smile lines. I hate it. Oh, I think I added too much. Oh no, I added too much. You know, also when you're doing like natural ones, makeup thingy, less is more. By the way, I blend it with my fingers because I find that using your fingers, it leaves like a natural look. I literally use that as a foundation now. And now I'm going to powder it. Just a little bit, not too much, okay? Just gonna put it here, like this part, because we don't want to like remove the glow. Okay, so next is blush. And I love wearing blush so much. It gives life to your skin too. So I'm wearing this one. I'm using this color. It's kind of like a pinkier color. I'm just gonna put it here where I think I would naturally blush, you know. Next is highlighter. I'm just gonna use a little bit. I don't want to add too much. It's really weird to have this accent. What the? Just gonna add a little bit on my nose too. Do you guys see my makeup? Please ignore this redness here. It's very natural, sorry. Okay, so now let's move on with our lips, and I really need to stop with this accent. It's annoying. Hi, editing me here, and I know I could just stop the accent right there, but it's kind of hard when you learn an accent and you know you forgot how to speak the no accent way. Sorry, that's that. I know it. And I'm not doing a great job with it. I think I'm gonna use something like this. I'm going to curl my lashes too. You don't have to do that. Oh, okay. That's my no makeup look, or natural makeup. Let's see. Oh my gosh, ignore this redness here. This is my natural no makeup. My natural makeup, because you can literally see that there's makeup. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like. It really helps me a lot. And if you love contents like this, or you like me, yeah, then subscribe, because it will also help a lot, like a lot. So thank you guys so much.